Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to introduce you to SMEEye Miniapp, which is a saloon application. So let's see how quickly we can use it s- before we discussing the detail of each and every functionalities available in the application. So it's so simple, super easy, very easily, very quickly you can make the invoice. Let's see that first. Go to the employee, enter the PIN number. You are here. Select the customer, and you have service categories. Go to the corresponding category and select the service and add those services one by one into your cart. So now you have three services ordered. You have pay button here. So customer is paid by cash or credit card. You can select over here and pay. That's all. Your invoice is created. So with this software, you will be able to make an invoice in matter of seconds, and which gives a lot of flexibility, which we will see in the detailed video here. So let's go back to the application again now, just to see what are the different functionalities available in the software. Okay, so the major the application actually start with a email login and password. You don't need to enter this email and password all the time. This is only for once for a month. So there is a username and password is created. So we have to put the username and password. Yes, once you enter the username and password, click on the enter. Yes, you now logged in successfully. So most of the time you will be seeing only this page, which is employee login. So employee login is controlled by a passcode. So each every employee will get a passcode. You should collect that passcode or pin code from the concerned person. So once you have the passcode, select the employee name, your name, and click on the and enter the PIN number 2698. So now you are inside the cart page where you are supposed to select the products or add the products into the cart. So in this screen, this is one of the major screen in this application. In this screen, you have different areas. One is customer area, where which will allow you to select walk-in customer by default or to create new customers. There is a branch selection page. You can select the branch. Mostly you don't need to do anything over here. Then important one is actually you have categories in here in this part: hair and beard and coloring. These are the two categories available. So by under each category there will be products. So let's click on the haircut. Now haircut is there in your cart. So if there is two haircuts, you can either come here and change it, like by clicking on the numpad, or else you can just click on the haircut one more time. This quantity will be increased to 3. Similarly, you can change the price using the numpad if required. Even you can give an item discount here if required. So in our case, we are not going to do anything. We are straight away adding more items into the cart. Okay, let's say if you wanted to remove any item from the cart, just click on here. You can remove. So now our cart page is ready. So before going to the next pay page, we just want to see how to search for an existing customer. So you come here, search the customer name or customer number. So you will be able to see the uh, customer if the number is available in the system. Select the customer. So customer is already selected. If the customer is not available in the system, you can add the customer as well. So you just need to enter the first name. There are many fields you can see over here, but you need to enter first name and phone number. Phone number has to be in this format: 971, then whatever, 566, whatever it may be. This should be in this format, otherwise it will not be accepted. 971 must be added. and name should be there. First name should be there. Then you click on the submit. It will be submitted. Then once you submitted, that customer can also be searched in this window. Okay. Now the customer is selected. All items are selected. Now you can click on the pay button. Once you click on the pay button, you can see the summary of your items over here. You will see the subtotal. You see, actually, you have haircut 195. Why 1095? Because three haircuts are there, and hair highlights 250 dirhams. So together, it is subtotal is 445. Then VAT will be applied with including what it would be 467.25. This is the rounded total, which is 467. So payment method automatically came is a credit card. If the customer is going to pay with the cash, you have to select cash. Automatically that amount will be moved under cash. So apart from that, there is a place you can add the tip. You can either select any of the predefined value here, or else you can actually type a value also here, like 5 dirham. If you see, the tip is already added in the invoice. Similarly, you can come to add discount. You can actually predefined value, you can select any discount. If there is discount needs to be given to the customer, or else you can actually given uh, your own discount. But discount, please note this point, discount is in percentage. So if you give one, it is 1% discount will be applied. Tip is in the amount, in the form of amount. So there is no percentage that is actually in dirhams. So that you need to make sure that you are giving the correct value. So finally you have rounded total. So then the pay button, whatever you see in this pay button should be collected from the customer. So 467.58 dirhams should be collected from the customer. Now once the cash is collected from the customer, you are good to go with the clicking on the pay button. Now click on the pay button. Now your invoice print is ready. Just click on the print and print it. Uh, that's how the print will come into the post printer. That's how you should use the application. So one important thing is to remember is you should always use your pin number to enter. Typing pin number five times will lock you from the application. You will not be able to log in into the application unless we remove the lock. This is one important things to remember. Hope what we explained is clear. Okay, now once the invoice is created, you will be back to on this page. If you wanted to log out, you just click on here, you logged out back. Now nobody will be able to use that login, your login. So if someone wanted to create again, they have to click on their name and enter the pin number. So that's all about the application. Hope this is very clear to you. If you need more detail, definitely we will have a face-to-face session as well in the future. Best of luck. Thank you very much.